Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all?
ma'am.
Fine.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Thank you, dears. Yesterday I told I will be sending the notes, but I did not able to send. Today I will send. Okay. And do you remember the points that we had learned yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, it was decimal point and all, isn't it? Shall I ask?
Yes,
If you know the
ma'am.
answer, just raise your hands. Okay. What is a decimal point? Those who know the answer, just raise your hands. Okay. Yesterday, those who. Catherine?
Ma'am,
Yes.
a decimal point is a point placed between the numbers.
Yes. Okay. The point, good. The point which is put in between the numbers is known as a decimal point. What is a decimal number? Decimal number, Pranav?
The number with the point. The number
With the point. With a point. With a decimal point is decimal number. Good. The numbers with a decimal point is a decimal number. What is the other name for decimal number? Adira?
decimals.
Decimals. Give an example of a decimal number, Adira.
36.6.
Okay, good. 36.6. A point is there in between the numbers. So it is a decimal number, or just we can call it as decimals. Okay, now next, how many parts a decimal number has? Amaya, how many parts it has?
2 parts.
2 parts. First part will be?
Whole part or integral part.
Yes, good. The first part will be before the point and it is known as whole part or integral part. What is the name of the second part?
Decimal. Ma'am, can I?
Second part, 1 second, Mayasa.
Decimal point, decimal number or decimal.
Second part is known as?
Decimal number or decimal.
It is just a decimal part. Decimal number, the whole number is known as decimal number. The full, like 36.6. The full number is a decimal number, but the decimal part is only 6 after the point. The part which is after the point is decimal part, and the numbers which is written, which will be written before the point is whole part or integral part.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, only that much was there, isn't it? So we will move to the next topic, writing the place values or writing the places of the decimal number. Okay, I'm going to share the board. Don't take your book, don't touch your book, don't do anything. Just fold your hands and look at the board and listen to me. Okay, dears? Just fold your hands and listen to me. So today's topic is, first we will learn about the places. Places of decimal numbers.
Excuse me, ma'am, there is some network issues. So
Don't write anything. I will give you the time afterwards for writing. So now you
can't
just
see
tell
the
me.
board.
The board is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's clear. It's clear.
Is it clear?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here some network.
Okay, see. 4, 9, 3, 5. How you will read it? No point is there. How you will read it? 1935. That is,
1935.
yes. 4,935. Whether this number is a decimal number?
No, it's not.
No, it's not a decimal number. What is the reason?
Because it does not have a point.
It does not have a decimal point. Now I am going to put a point here. Now it is a decimal number, right? There is a point in between the numbers. So it is a decimal number. So when you will read the number, you have to read it as 49.35. You should not read it as 35. After the point, you have to say the numbers one by one, not like together. Like we are reading it as 49. But after the point, we should not read it as 35. We have to read it as 35. 49.35. Suppose the number is 115.08. We have to read it as 115. Before the point, it is a whole number. We can read it together. 115.08. After the point, the numbers has to be separated. It should be read separately. It should not be read together. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let me write one number over here. 205 point. Yuvan, just read that number, dear.
205.362.
Good. So it should not be read together. It should be read as 205.362. Okay. Next thing is we have to write the places of the numbers. This is the ones place. Before the point is the whole numbers. So first we have to start from here. This is the ones place. After ones place, what is the next place?
Tens place.
Tens place. Next one is
Hundreds
hundreds. So it's ones, tens, hundreds. We have to start the numbers, writing the places of the numbers before the point. After that, this 3. After the point, the first digit, the place of the first digit is 10th. 10th place. TENTH. The next place is known as 100th. After the point, there is no ones place. No ones, tens and all. We have to start from 10th. 10th, 100th. The next will be thousandth. Thousandth place. TH. So before the point, it is ones, tens, 100,000 and all. After the point, 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay. And ones means it is 1. Tens means it will be 10. Isn't it? When we will write the place value of 2, we will write it as 2 into, since it is in the place of 100, when we will write the place value, it will be 2 into 100 plus 0. No need of writing the place value of 0. Even then, if we are writing the place value, we will write it as 0 into 10. Isn't it? Plus the next one, 5 is in the ones place. So 5 into 1. Then the next one is after the point. So plus 3. 3 is in the 10th place. So it will come in the fraction. 3 into 1 by 10 plus the next number 6 into 1 by 100 plus the next number 2 into 1 by 1000. Now this is the expansion. 2 more examples. We are expanding the numbers now. 6.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I just joined because of some network issue.
One of you just, Aditya Krishna, just read that number, dear.
659.452.
Ah, very good. Yes. 659.452. So 9 is in the ones place. 5 is in the
Tens
Tens
place.
place.
6 is in the
Hundreds place.
hundreds place. After the point, 4 is in the
Tens place.
tenth place. 5 is in the
Hundred
hundredth place. H, hundredth, th. 2 is in the thousandth place. So th for thousand and th after 1,000. When we will write the places, when we will write the expansion, we have to write it like this. 6 into, since it is in the hundreds place, 6 into 100 plus 5 is in the tens place. So 5 into 10 plus 9 is in the ones place. So 9 into 1. Then after the point, plus 4 is in the tenth place. So 4 into 1 by 10 fraction plus next number 5 into 1 by 100 plus 2 into 1 by 1000. Okay, got?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So after the point, the places are, before the point, the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousands. After the point, the places will begin with tenth, hundredth, thousandth, 10,000. It will go on like that. And after the point, when we will write the expansion, it will be 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1,000, like that. Before the point, it will be into 10, into 100, 10, 1. It will not be in the fraction. After the point, the place has to be written in the fraction. Got? We will write one example, and then I will give you 2 problems for doing. Okay. Okay. Take your rough book.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, I just joined. Ma'am, can you repeat a bit?
Achyut.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, when I will give the notes now, I will explain once again. Okay,
Okay.
Achyut? Okay. All of you take your rough book then. Write the date. Today is 5th. 5/1/2022.
Ma'am, we should write this in the rough book.
Yes, yes. We have to write in the rough book. Expanding. Expansion of decimal numbers. Expansion of decimal numbers is the heading. First example. First question is 289.451.
Ma'am, there is a network issue.
Yes, this is a decimal number, right?
Ma'am, I can't see the board because of network issues.
Cannot see the board? 1 second, 1 second. Actually, there is a audio problem. I cannot hear. 1 second. Let me raise the. Yes. What is it, my dear?
Ma'am, there is some network issue, so I can't see the board.
Anne Maria, you cannot
Yes.
see the board. Once again, I am going to share. Just check if you are not able to see the board again, or you just log out and log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just check whether you can see now. Can you?
Ma'am, it's showing studio classroom 7 3 has
Maybe because of,
started share screen.
okay. Maybe because of network issue. If you want, you can log out and log in once again. Okay.
Ma'am, I am in another house, that's why I can't.
Anyway, I will send the notes. Okay, Anne Maria. See,
Ma'am, I am in another house, so I can't
number is written over here.
write
Is
the
it?
notes.
Please mute, please mute. We are going to read that decimal number. Hazel,
Yes, ma'am.
Hazel, read that decimal number, dear.
289.451.
Yes. When the decimal number is read, we will read it as good. Good, Hazel. Do one thing, children. Below that, just write the number name also. Then you will not forget. Number name in words. When we will read it, it is read as 200, 289, 289 point. After the point, each number is to be read separately. 289.451. After the point, each number has to be read separately. Okay, Chut?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Now we are going to write the places. Before the point, the place is ones. Next one is hundreds.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Who?
Ma'am, and Mary, I log in and log out. I do.
Anne Maria, no?
Yes.
Ah, yes. What to do, my dear? Because maybe because of network issue, my dear.
Okay, ma'am, I can't see the board.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Others can see the board, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is because of a network issue.
Huh?
excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
After once you write hundreds.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, 1 second, 1 second. Let me check. All others can see the board clearly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Very clearly.
Okay, sorry. So it's ones, tenths. Ones, then 8 is in the tens place, then 2 is in the hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Next place, after the point, the first place is known as tenth, T-N-T-H, tenth. The next place is known as hundredth, then thousandth. Now we are going to write the expansion. When we will write the expansion, when we will write the expansion, the first number we have to start from 2. 2 is in the hundreds place, so 2 into 100. plus second place is tens. So 8 into 10 plus the next place is in the ones. So 9 into 1. Then plus other digits are after the point. The first digit is in the 10th place. So 4 into 1 by 10. 10th is written as 1 by 10. 100th is written as 1 by 100. 1000th is written as 1 by 1000. Plus next number 5. 5 into 1 by 100 plus next is 1. 1 into 1 by 1000. This is the way expansion is written.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The point, the places will be in fraction. 4 into 1 by 10, 5 into 1 by 100, and 1 into 1 by 1000. And before the point, it will not be in fraction. It will be like 100, 10, 1 and all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Is the places and the expansion is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, shall I give 2 problems for doing?
Yes, ma'am.
By the time I will take the attendance also. Okay. Now, next question. Write the expansion of the decimal numbers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we can continue on that page.
Hmm?
Ma'am, we can continue on that page.
Yes, yes, you can continue in the page. If place is there, you can continue. Write the expansion of the decimal numbers. I will send yesterday's and today's notes together. When you will get time, you can just finish it off. Okay. Write the expansion of the decimal numbers. No need of writing the number name. Just write the expansion. First one, 531.53.
Ma'am, it's 500.
531.53. You cannot see the board, right? And the first number is 531.53. The second
Should
one,
only write the expansion.
yes, you can just write the expansion. If you want, you can write the places on the top, like ones, tens, 100, 10th, if you want, or else just write the expansion. Just write this thing. No need of writing the number name. Okay. If you want, you can write the places on the top like this, if you want. Yes, other?
We should, but in the next number, there's only 53. We can't write the thousands place. Sir.
1 second. What is that other?
Ma'am, it's 53. There's no thousands.
531.53. Thousands is not there. Just 10th and 100th. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, finished.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am,
Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
264.296.
Can you repeat the?
And don't worry, Anne. I will send the notes.
Ma'am, I can't write because I am in another house.
It's okay. You cannot see the board, no? Shall I say the question?
Yes.
First one is 531.53. Second one 264.296.
Thank you.
One more, the last one. I will give it thousands. 3,652.394. 3,652.394. 3 questions. If you want, you can write the places on the top, or else you can just write the expansion.
Ma'am, I cannot see the second row.
You cannot see.
Ma'am, now I can see.
Now you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, children, 3 questions are on the board. 2 minutes for doing it. After finishing your work, you don't unmute and don't speak. Just click on that raise hand button. I'll get to know that you have completed your work. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Adidev, Aditya, Pranav. You win.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see only the first one with number names. Ma'am, I can only see that.
What is the problem, my dears? What happened now?
Ma'am, it was showing the first one.
Huh?
It was showing the first one. Ma'am, it was showing.
Anne Maria, you have a network issue. You cannot see the board clearly, right?
Yes.
So I have read the question. Did you write the question?
Yes, ma'am, but
I
didn't understand the third one.
Third one. Just
Yes.
one digit has been increased. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
3,000. 3 is in the thousands place. You have to write 3 into 1,000 plus, as we used to write. Shall I ask now? Shall we discuss the answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let me start with Other. Other?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Say the places first. 1 is in the
And one is in the ones
ones place. 3?
3 is in the tens place.
Tens place. 5 is in the
Hundreds place.
hundreds place. Okay. Now, after the point, 5 is in the
Tenth place.
10th place. 3?
In the hundredth place.
100th place. Okay. Now the expansion.
Ma'am, 5
Yes.
into
5. 5 into 100. 5 is in the
Plus.
hundreds place. So 5 into 100 plus
3 into 10
3 into 10
plus
plus
1 into 1
yes, 1 is in the 1. So 1 into 1 plus
5 into 1 by 10.
5 into
1 by
1
10.
by 10. Since it is in the 10th place, it will be in the
Three
fraction
into
1 by
1 by 100.
Yes, plus 3 into 1 by 100. Good, good, Adar. So this is the expansion. Have you all written? Yes? Yes. Now, second one. Second one too. Let me ask to Adidev.
Mommy.
Okay, two Adidevs are there, no? Adidev MB.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am,
yes. All right. Say the places first. Places. 4 is in
ma'am,
the.
four in one's place.
Yes. 6
6 in
is in.
tens place.
Yes.
2 in hundreds place.
Yes. Good. Now, after the point, 2 is in
10th place.
10th
9
place.
is 9
Yes.
is in 100th place.
Okay.
6th is in 1000th place.
Yes. Good. Now, we are going to write the expansion.
2 into 100
Yes. 2 into 100 plus,
plus 6 into 10
6 into 10
plus
plus
4 into 1.
4 into 1 plus after the point
2 into 1 by 10
2 into 1 by 10
plus
plus
9 into 1 by 100
9 into 1 by 100
plus
plus yes
6 into
6
1 by
into
1000.
6 into 1 by 1000. Good. Good dear. Now next one, third one. One more Adidev is there, right? Adidev MJ.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one, dear. Places first. 2 is in the.
One's place.
Yes, 2 is in the ones place. 5 is in the
10th place.
10th place. 6 is in the
100th place.
100th place. 3 is in the
1000th place.
1000th place. Now, after the point, 3 is in the. After the point,
10th point.
3 is in the
10th
10th place. 9,
100th place.
the place. Then 4 is in the
1000th place.
1000. Is it 1000? Is it
Yes, and 1000th.
1000th? TH, 1000th place. Okay. Expansion.
3 into 1000
3 into 1000
plus
plus
6 into 100
yes 6 into 100
plus
plus
2 into 10
5 into 10
plus
plus
2 into 1
2
plus
into 1 plus
3 into
yes 3 into
1 by 10
yes it is in the 10th place, so it is 3 into 1 by 10 plus
9 into 1 by 100
9 into 1 by 100 plus
4 into 1 by 1000
yes 4 into 1 by 1000. That's all. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this was the places, place values and expansion. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I will be sending the notes. Yesterday's notes and today's notes together. And when you will get time, you just finish it. Okay, and the homework will also be there with it. So you have to finish your homework as well as the notes in your notebook neatly.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So before winding up the class, let me take the attendance. Okay, children, now I'm going to wind up the class. I will be sending the notes and the homework. You have to do it. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you, dears. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.